If you're experiencing issues with configuring League of Legends multiplayer, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or games. If your connection is weak or intermittent, try resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Update the game client. Make sure that your League of Legends client is up to date. Open the client and check for any available updates. Download and install any updates to ensure you have the latest version of the game, which may fix multiplayer issues. Step 3. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block the game from connecting to the internet. Go to your firewall or antivirus settings and ensure that League of Legends is allowed through. You may need to add it as an exception. Step 4. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can cause multiplayer issues. Open the League of Legends client, go to the settings menu and look for an option to repair or verify the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling League of Legends. This can resolve persistent issues by ensuring a fresh installation of the game. Make sure to back up any important data before proceeding with the uninstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the multiplayer issues in League of Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.